Hey guys, this is Marvin Germo. I just landed in Hong Kong today. Let's talk about what happened to the markets. The market's actually up, but let's break it down and let's see where will it go and what's a possible scenario that could happen to the PSE. So the PSEI, intraday it went down, much lower than the opening. Then suddenly in the final hour, final minutes of trading, you saw the market start to go up, which it closed past 7,700. However, let's break this down even more. A couple of things. You have some price and volume oscillators that's denoting now that the PSEI has started to turn a bit more bullish as well. However, it has to break out so what we've done in the previous videos. I've already told you that the market has broken out already, that it's out of the downtrend already, that the downtrend which started mid-January is already done, it's already over, it's already finished, that the market is already out of its downward movement. But here's what I've also mentioned as well, that it hasn't really fully reversed yet, and the movement that we had today, although relatively bullish, number one, is not as convincing yet, because please remember this, it's still at the 7,700 resistance level, meaning it still has a lot to prove if it has to have a shot of going higher. Meaning, a couple of things, it needs to successfully now break out of 7,700. As what I've mentioned, there's a resistance at around that level, that if it fails to break out from that range, you may expect it to correct back lower to the next support range again. So here's the thing, couple of things that could possibly happen. A possible scenario, failure to break out of 7.7, it could possibly retrace back to 7.4, 7.5 levels, as that's where the next support level is. Please remember this though, if it breaks past 7.7, it doesn't still warrant a full reversal, because it needs to break out from the very strong resistance at 8,100. 8.1 is the strongest resistance, that if it doesn't break out from that level, it just actually means this: we are out from the downtrend, but we are not in an uptrend yet. We haven't fully reversed, and we could possibly just go sideways, or we could just consolidate. So critical thing to watch out for is breakout from 7.7. That if it breaks out from 7.7, it doesn't just break out from 7.7, but it stays at 7.7, and then it will now move from 7.7 to around 8.1. It will oscillate 7.7, 8.1, 7.7, 8.1. Then it will try to challenge 8.1. If it breaks out 8.1, then we have a shot again at going up to 8.5 and 8.9, and that's when you actually see the markets actually start to move up and start to move and become bullish as well for the short, mid, and long term. But other than that, let's cross the bridge when we get there. Critical thing to watch out for is 7.7. It should hold 7.7. If it should not hold, you can expect the market to go lower. If it breaks out of 7.7, 8.1 will be your next target price, and you have a lot of oscillators that are now starting to churn and starting to become bullish as well. However, if that does not happen, quick traders may now take profits. Please remember this, let's not get too emotional about the markets. If it fails to break out of that level, if it fails to break out from 7.7, sell. And that's how it goes. You just take it by the numbers, you just take it by what the charts are telling you. And just one thing that you have to consider as well, that 8,100, the 7.7 level, as it closed at 7.7, the value turnover was just 5 billion. It's not as strong as what we want it to be. We wanted sana around 6 to 8 billion, or we wanted pana higher sana from 8 to 10. The larger the value turnover, the better, the stronger it will actually be. So that's where we are right now. We're actually better than where we were a few weeks ago, but we're still not out of the woods. What we know just now is this: we're out of the downtrend, but we still haven't reversed yet. The main underlying condition is it's still bearish, and it could lead to a possible scenario where we could go sideways. But for those who have been making money, for those who bought at oversold levels, for those who bought when everyone was scared, for those who bought at the support levels, for those who bought when some of the shorter moving averages started to break out, congratulations to you. For those who bought when it broke out from the downtrend, congratulations to all of you as well. That's how you trade the markets. You trade the markets just by following technical analysis, or you trade the markets also just by using fundamental analysis. But using technical analysis is amazing as well, and money can be made there. So that's it for now. That's my last update for today. I'm preparing now for Stock Smart's Hong Kong tomorrow. So to you guys from Hong Kong, I hope to see you there. And to you guys who are in Manila or wherever you are in the world, I hope that this videos serve as a reference point for you, that you get to trade the markets with conviction and with confidence. And I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. This is Marvin Germo from Hong Kong. See you all again soon.